WINNEO is headquartered in picturesque Gilead. All prints are as exquisite as the landscape itself. WINNEO has built long-term and stable relationships with over 8,000 customers worldwide, delivering products and services to more than 130 regions and countries. We chase perfection down to the finest print detail. Servo drive at linear guide equals stable spot-on accuracy. Multicolor overlay supported complex patterns in one go. Large or small areas, all handled with ease. High speed and ultra precise. Low noise, no misalignment, uniform in counterpart. Workbench, print head scale Dr. Blade open tree base. 4-axis independent calibration guarantees razor-sharp prints every time. Movable swing arm PLC panel, one-touch operation, more flexible program switching. Plus all -0.8 mm repeat accuracy, precise color registration, 1000 prints, no deviation, no misalignment in complex patterns. Key components from Germany as Festo and Japan as TMC, 50% longer service life than ordinary pneumatic parts. Print patterns and base marks in one machine. One machine does the work of two, printing efficiency doubled. Go simultaneous printing of our identical products. Go simultaneous printing of our different pattern. 360 degrees uniform glaze coverage, 0 dead spots, precise tracing, 0 deviation. Thin steel plate. Squeegee strip. Customized pass molds. Silicone rubber silicone oil.